These gentle giants have inhabited the lands of Mondulkiri for generations in Cambodia. Over time, an inseparable bond was created between them and the indigenous Bunang people. As strong as the connection may be, it is a relationship that has been tried and tested over the years. Pressure to make ends meet has pushed some of the villagers to rent out the elephants at higher prices to companies with a record of ill-treating animals. Their connection, however, gets complicated when it comes to breeding.
In Mondulkiri project right now we got 6 elephants. We have 5 girls and we have 1 boy. And the boy that we have is good, young, strong, and always spend time with some girl.
Sanctuaries like Mr. Trees attempt to breed elephants and also rescue and care for them. Home for these gentle giants is now the protected forest that the sanctuary has rented, and Mr. Tree has a more friendly way of calling them without abusing them.
To give them love us, to give food for them, because banana is a favorite food for the elephant and sugarcane.
But some organizations in Mondulkiri rent elephants on a part-time basis, only when there are tourists. The rest of the time, villagers rent them out to illegal loggers and others.
I think some people, they know, but they don't care about how you treat, they don't care.
In Mondulkiri alone, there are about 46 captive elephants. Lucky faced a similar fate and used to work for illegal loggers before she was rescued by the Mondulkiri project, just as she was being sold to Siem Reap for elephant riding.
So before Lucky into our sanctuary, Lucky was really bad life. She worked hard and she got so many owners. And the owner always take her to go to the jungle to carry the resin, the oil from the tree. And sometimes they use her for hunting animal. Make sure they are not get in a suffer or get in a abuse thing. Just make them feel happy together.